Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom thumbnail for YouTube. Now this works also, like, it can work for anything basically, like Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. So yeah, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to a browser. I'm just gonna go up here, then you're gonna search up APK Pure. So Pure. I've already done this video 2 times because 2 of them got deleted on accident, and no, 3 times because 2 of them got deleted on accident, and then 1 of them I didn't even start it. Like, I thought I did, but I didn't. Okay, so typing that in, and now it's loading. And you're going to click the first link above. Okay. And now we're going to the APK here. So I'm just gonna pause it because it takes a little bit. Okay guys, now that we are here, go to the search bar and you're going to search up Adobe Photoshop Mix. So, not that. Okay. Adobe Photo, that's not how I spelled it. Mix, then press search, and it should come up. If it doesn't, you probably did something wrong, I don't know, but it comes up. And boom, the first one, not any of the bottom ones, the first one. So you're going to click on it, and then you're going to download it. So let me download it for y'all so you can see how it works. And it will not harm your device, trust me. And yeah, so press OK, and then so from that, and 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Come on. Okay, 0 seconds. Now, once it does that, you are going to go to open, right? Then you're going to download it. So if it's your first time, just press install. Now it's installing, and I'll just pause it for pausing it right now. Okay guys, now it is downloaded, so you can either press done or open. I'm just gonna press open for the sake of the video. Now it's going to say it only runs with Google Play. Don't worry, nothing's gonna happen. Just press it. Trust me. Just trust me. And right now it's loading. Just press OK and nothing's gonna happen. I pressed OK and nothing's going to happen. Or I can just like wait until it goes to another thing. So okay, press the X and then just press it again. Okay, I'm gonna sign in, so I don't want y'all to like steal my account, so I'm gonna pause the video one more time. Alright guys, now that I'm signed in, just press OK. And then we're gonna do a freshness start. But before that, we need to download the right materials so we can obviously make our what do they call it? Thumbnail. So go back to here. Then you're going to search up template. So I'm gonna search YouTube thumbnail template. So I'm going to wait, and then you can basically pick which one you want. I'm just going to pick a random one, so I can just, cause I just want to get this done, and I want to show you how this works. So whatever one is fine. I'm just gonna use this one right here, and then so now I've got that. You're gonna hold down on it, so you can obviously download this. So download image, and then open the image, and then going to bring you something like this. All you're going to do is you're going to press this open with, and I'm gonna press my open with photos. So I just open with mine. If it doesn't work the first time, I just go down and and it brings me back to go and press this. Okay, got it. Open with Amazon Photos. Now I'm going to download it along with some other materials. So yeah, okay, this download, boom. I'm gonna go back, get a few more materials I want. So like for example, a subscriber button, like a thing, clicking a subscribe, a mouse, or you know. So subscribe logo, and make sure you do transparent, or because if you do transparent, the background of it. So transparent, and then pick the one you want. So let me go. Okay, so transparent. Transparent. Okay, so transparent subscriber button. Okay, I'm gonna do this one because it has the bell also, which means I want like people to do my notifications, you know, including you. You should do my notifications on my channel so you don't miss a channel. And you're gonna hold down, download image. Now it's downloading. Open it, and then what you're going to do is I'm going to press this, open with, and Amazon Photos. Download. Boom. Go back. And this is just gonna be really quick video, so. Okay, so I'm going back to Adobe Photoshop Mix, and again, it's just gonna say it won't run without Google Play. If it does, just press OK. Okay, go to device, and then here we go. So you need to do the template first, and your details later. So here it is, template. Oop, there it is. Okay. Then it's going to bring you to something that looks like this, right? Then you're going to press the plus. So, okay. Sorry, I'm going to go this way. Then I'm going to press the plus, and then go to saved photos. Then you can add your, like, you know, details. So subscribe. I don't know if it is or not, but I hope it is. Okay, good. Transparent. Okay. Now you can do it basically wherever you want. So boom, like you can like legit do it like this. Doesn't have to be like, you know, even anyway. Boom, there you go. And you can add like more details and stuff, like, you know. So yeah, that's basically it. And when you're done, you basically when you're done, you go this way. So I can probably show you. Basically when you're done, you're gonna have a this. You're gonna press the three dots. Save to gallery, save to library. This means you can save it, you know, as a project. I'm not gonna save it to gallery because this isn't the one I'm gonna use for my YouTube channel videos. But yeah, so that's basically all for now. So if this was helpful, you know what to do, all that good stuff. And I will see you later. Peace out.